cool. Let's do a bit of recap. I wasn't late yesterday or running late yesterday, but I was running out the house late yesterday. Didn't really care for that. Brushing myself. Today, apparently, I missed that bus that I would like to have gotten on, though another bus should be coming shortly. Apparently, this is my Tuesday, but it feels like another Monday. I said yesterday was Monday number 3, because technically I did work Saturday, Sunday. Saturday was technically my Monday. These early mornings are no joke. But somebody gotta do it, and apparently it's me this week around. What else do I want to say? The weather is warm yet again. This sweat hoodie is not even necessary, but kind of is. Because there's a little. Realizing more and more that people that kind of speak my crazy language of psycho fangirl are people that are at least, if not more, than 7 years younger than me. I need help, y'all. But I don't want it.
So the deciding factor in my day was this headache that developed like the last 2 hours of work. I was determined to get out, go to the library, complete applying for going to school, and, start my schedule. But not only, I guess the headache was welcome because it is raining cats and dogs now. I wish I could have took a picture or recorded how black the sky was just now. Quite literally, I missed the bus that I would like to have gotten on by minutes, so I stayed at work for like another 20 minutes before I started walking to the next bus. I get on the perfect bus to get over to the other side before it really starts school.
Yeah, sorry, I don't know where it cut off, but anywho's, do I look cute? So yeah, rainwater on my head, because it needs that type of life. Apparently my hair seems to love it so much that it actually grows like it's photosynthesis or something like that. I don't know, like I'm nature. I am nature. I am nature woman. Anywho's, the rest of my day, I guess, in homework I myself to do. That's what my plans were since I decided not to go to the library. I definitely need to get some me because it's not I'm gonna put this in to vlog, so be prepared for that. Yesterday I attempted 8 times. In fact, I said take 1, take 2, all the way to take 8, and I told you guys to believe me that this is take 8, but you guys won't ever see that footage because Snapchat is being a button. I'm probably stepping in a puddle right now. Anywho's, so yesterday was, I don't know. I was trying to be very optimistic the entire day, which, I mean, in turn, it was a good day until the last 2 hours of work, where I developed a headache, which turned into a migraine because of candy and an energy drink, aka artificial sugars that I should not have put in my body. So I was going to attempt to do some Korean homework, some makeshift Korean homework that I made for myself, which was basically me writing and translating lyrics to a few of my favorite songs. But that didn't happen, and the headache did disappear after taking some medicine, taking a shower, a nice warm shower that was well deserved because I worked really hard yesterday, and I got a little rained on. Thank you guys for watching my Snapchat version of Vlogmas, and if you guys want to see more from me, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, I love feedback, so please leave a comment down below. Anywho's, it's your favorite Kpop Kworld fandom trainee, just a trainee. Today is another day to do better. I'll do better, you do better. So I don't care. Yeah, that sounds right.
I don't want to take away from what you've made. I just want to know the place from where you came. No need to see the world when it's right here in front of